Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more.
All right, so we're at the park again on base. I got Amy and then Travell's somewhere over here. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. He's playing. I dropped hubby off for like a meeting thing for his work and stuff. And after that, if we have time, we'll go pick up his car because we had to drop off his car to get it fixed, like not fixed, but like an oil change and stuff. So I feel like every time I come to this park, it's always, the sky always looks like this. But anyways, today I'm getting my hair done finally. So I have blonde in it and I want more. I want all of this to be blonde. And then we're gonna get a haircut. I don't know how short I want it, honestly. I don't know. My hair doesn't like this Texas weather at all. It like gets so frizzy, like it looks like this all the time. Like I'll brush it, I straighten my hair, I put some product in it, and this is what it looks like. So I'm afraid if I go short that I'm just gonna be not looking cute. I don't know. All right, be careful. Plan is to have my hair be blonde and have like a shadow root and have like the money pieces and stuff, because I did have money pieces, but my hair has grown out so much. You see how much? It's been about a year since I've had my hair dyed, so I'm excited for that. I feel like I need a new change. I need a haircut. I need a fresh start on my hair and everything. So that's today's plan. And then if I have time, if not this weekend, I'm gonna go to Kohl's, I think, to see if they have the Makeup by Mario, their lip plumping gloss. I have the one that you twist, but I want the actual lip gloss one with a doe foot applicator. And then I want to try the Travis lip liner. I'm sure you guys seen like the Met Gala. If you haven't, I seen Kim Kardashian on there, and so on that one. And I loved her like lip combo and stuff, so I kind of wanted to try that out and everything. Super cute. We're ready for a change. I'm excited. This is before. Can't wait to show you guys the after. So I am home. This is my hair. You guys seen the before video of what my hair looked like before. So now we have a lot of blonde color in my hair. Y'all, it took forever. I'm not gonna lie. It took like 7 hours. I've never been in a hair salon where it took that long, but we did the money pieces and she did some highlights and stuff. That way it's not super crazy. My baby, he's crawling in here. But yeah, it took forever, but I think it was worth it. And then I went to Kohl's afterwards, and I got me this Makeup by Mario lip pencil in the shade Travis, and I am going to order the lip gloss, the lip pumping gloss in soft nude, I believe. So yeah, that was today's day at the salon all day. And I'm tired. Even though I sat there for so long, I'm actually like really tired. Yeah, I don't know if I'm really gonna be doing anything tomorrow, so I will catch you guys tomorrow with a nice cup of coffee.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe.
Good morning, you guys. It is almost 10 o'clock. I'm just now getting things going. I made the bed and stuff, and I just made a cup of coffee that you guys just seen. I hate when I put too much creamer in my frother and then I don't get to use it up. So if I take a few more sips, I might add some more creamer to make it a little bit sweeter. You guys, if you've seen in the video, this spoon is pretty cool. I got it off of Amazon and I'll link it down below. They have 3 different colors, black, gold, and silver. I was gonna go for the black one, but I just ended up with gold, something different. And for hubby to get home. This is second day hair. To run a straightener through it or whatever. And I can't wait to wash it and stuff. We got a few layers going on, so I can't wait to like style that. Almost. So yeah, I'm so glad to have more blonde, like a lot more blonde throughout my hair. But yeah, I need to go ahead and make breakfast. That way we can eat. And waiting for Trey to get home. He had to go to like a briefing kind of thing and stuff. So soon he's gonna be leaving, and he's been gone for a while. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting again with just the kids and me and stuff. But yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be all right. It should be fun. I can't wait to get like Travell. I need to get him in some more activities. I think the pool's gonna be opening on base soon, so I'm excited for that. I want to take that one over there because he loves to swim, and well, he loves the water, so get him in that. It definitely needs more creamer, so I'm gonna put the rest of the creamer that I have in my frother to make it more sweet. All right, here we go. We're gonna go into Tjmaxx and see what they have. I don't really have anything in mind to buy, so let's see what they have. Tjmaxx always has like the cutest earrings. Look at how cute these are. And they even got these ones. These are so cute. I really like these ones right here. I'm gonna put them back. These are really pretty too. So many cute claw clips. Look at how pretty these are. For $7.99. These are cute too. Look at how cute these are. So there you have the Mother's Day stuff. Elf, best mom, #1 mom, some robes, some pajamas. They even have the Juicy PJ set. This is cute. I might have to get this ottoman right here for the room. I'm always complaining I need to put my feet up somewhere, and I love how it has the wood pieces on the bottom for only 50 bucks. This is where I found my containers and stuff that you guys seen. Right here, got them at Tjmaxx, and they have so many containers for storage. Y'all, I tried to wear my hair down, but in this Texas weather, there's no way. There's absolutely no way. My whole being, everything is sweaty. But yeah, this Texas weather, man, I'm not used to the humidity anymore, really. Like back home, it's humid and stuff. California was not humid, it was dry, and my hair was like thriving out there. But here, absolutely not. So I got the ottoman. I'm gonna see how it looks at the house. I'll show you guys and stuff. I think it's gonna look really nice because every time I sit down by my bed, since I have those chairs there, I like to prop my feet up, especially if I'm like editing or something, and I'm too short to kind of like reach the bed. So it's just, I think it'll be nice. Hopefully it's like a good size and stuff, so we'll see. If not, I'll return it and everything. But yeah, we're gonna go home. I didn't realize how many people were out today. Like Tjmaxx was like, so many people were here. Granted, Mother's Day is coming up, so I guess it's the time to go out and find something for your loved ones and stuff. They have like some gifts already in a bundle, like pajamas, and maybe you want to like put some slippers together, or like their favorite candy, like certain things that, you know, you know, mama's like. Yeah, I'm gonna head home before traffic gets crazy, because yeah, there's a lot of people out. So let's get started. I want to show you guys like the quickest, simplest, minimum recipe you need to make a pink drink. So my friend, she actually put me on, I think she adds like other stuff. You can make it more creamy or whatever, but I only use 2 ingredients, and that is the white cran strawberry from Ocean Spray. And then the other thing that you need is, I use Silk coconut milk. I usually get the sweet, but unsweet is fine because this juice is already super sweet. So honestly, it doesn't matter if you get sweet or unsweet. It's, I guess, your preference. And if you want to make it really aesthetic and stuff, you can throw in some actual strawberries, cut them up. So I don't know if I should do that today. Should I make it like super aesthetic, or should we just pour this up and drink? Because I'm ready to eat. So all right, so I've decided I'm just gonna hold off my strawberries and use them for something else. So let's make this pink drink. All right, so shaking this up, and then I'm pouring in my strawberry. And then shaking up my coconut milk. You don't have to use too much coconut milk because it can overpower the juice. And then you stir it on up. And then you have your pink drink. Okay, so here is the ottoman that I bought, and I absolutely love this ottoman so much. I kind of wish I would have bought the other one so I could have 2 to put by my like entry table and stuff, but this does its purpose that I need for in this room when I'm editing. I sit there and stuff. So this is what we have so far. I love it. It's what I was looking for. I love the color, and I can put like storage and stuff in it too. So that is nice. I think that was a good buy for $50. But yeah, let me know if you guys tried that pink drink at home. I love it. It's literally one of my favorite drinks to make at home and stuff, and it's definitely cheaper. You can make it so many times at home and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I have another video coming up soon, like a partial clean with me and stuff. Just you guys are just kind of coming along with me and stuff, so I think that video might be a little short. We'll see. Sometimes when I say it's gonna be short and it ends up being like a little bit long. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.